Good morning, fam. Coach Nate here. You made it here, and that means you're already setting yourself up for success today. Whether you woke up feeling tight, maybe a little sluggish, and your body just doesn't feel ready to move yet. But in the next 90 seconds, we're going to open up your spine, unlock your hips, and fire up your energy so you feel powerful, mobile, and unstoppable. Most people stretching correctly, making them even tighter. But today, we're fixing that with a scientifically backed full body stretch routine that works. One of these moves will instantly unlock your posture, but only if you do it correctly. I'll show you how. The last move in the session is one most people skip, but once you try it, you'll never want to start your day without it. Your back and hips are craving so much movement, and one simple tweak makes this routine 10 times more effective. I'll show you in just a second. Most people also stretching correctly, keeping them stiff all day. But today, we're getting that right. If you feel tight in the morning, this routine is going to change how you move all day. Let's hit the mat. Your back has been locked up all night. This move is going to stretch it out and wake up your body. Lie flat on your stomach, hands under your shoulders. Press into your hands and lift your chest, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and hold the stretch. Breathe deep, feeling the stretch and abs open. I promise this move will increase spinal flexibility, improve circulation, and help you stand taller all day. Beginners, keep a slight bend in the elbows. Advanced stretches, fully extend the arms and lift the thighs off the ground. Upward dog. Can you push your chest forward just an inch more? Feel the deep release. Now that your back is warmed up, let's wake up the entire body with downward dog. This move is going to stretch your hamstrings, shoulders, and spine all at once. Consider it an instant reset. Start in a high plank position, hands under shoulders. Lift your hips toward the sky, forming an inverted V shape. Press your heels toward the floor and relax your neck. Breathe deeply and hold. I promise this move will release tension in your lower back, improve flexibility, and increase blood flow to your entire body. Beginners, keep knees slightly bent. Advanced stretches, pedal your feet to deepen the stretch. Are you still holding tension in your shoulders? Let them relax, sink into the stretch. Now let's open up the hips and strengthen your legs with the powerful squat stretch. Your hips hold more tension than you realize. If you feel tight when sitting, squatting, or even walking, this move is about to change everything. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing outward. Drop into a deep squat, bringing your elbows to the inside of your knees. Press your elbows gently against your knees to open your hips. Keep your chest lifted and hold the stretch. I promise this move will increase hip mobility, relieve lower back tension, and strengthen your legs for better movement all day. Beginners, hold on to a stable surface for support. Advanced stretches, try shifting your weight side to side for a deeper stretch. Can you sit just an inch deeper? That's where the real release happens. Now that your hips are open, let's flow into a stretch that will fire up your legs and improve flexibility. If you sit for hours, your hip flexors are getting tighter every day. This move is your fix. Step your left foot forward into a deep lunge, a back knee on the ground. Sink your hips forward, feeling the stretch in your right hip flexor. Slowly shift back, straightening your left leg for a hamstring stretch. Move back and forth between these two positions. I promise this move will increase flexibility, reduce tightness, and help prevent lower back pain. Beginners, keep your hands on your knee for extra support. Advanced stretches, lift your arms overhead to deepen the stretch. Are you breathing deeply? The deeper the breath, the deeper the stretch. Let's even things out and switch sides. One side is always tighter. This is your chance to balance it out and unlock more flexibility. Step your right foot forward, back knee down, sink your hips forward. Feeling the deep hip flexor stretch. Slowly shift back, straightening your right leg for a hamstring stretch. Flow between these two positions, keeping movements controlled. I promise this move will reset your lower body, improve mobility, and help you move freely all day. Beginners, keep your hands on the floor for support. Advanced stretches, lift your arms and add a slight back bend. Final move. Can you go just a little deeper? Let's finish strong. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.